Hello DIYers! In this video, I am going to teach you how to turn these household items into this. I call this project Pendulum Ping Pong, and I'm going to use materials such as a ping pong ball, rubber band, string, toothpick, a pair of scissors, and something pointy. In this case, I'll be using a push pin and a pen. You can choose to skip the rubber band and just use the string, but having a rubber band makes the ball swing bouncier. So what are the benefits of this toy? 1. It helps improve baby's hand and eye coordination skills. It is also a great way to practice baby's grabbing skills so they can reach for things placed in front of them precisely. Let's get started. First, tie the rubber band around the toothpick. Working near the top, slowly loop one end of the rubber band around the toothpick and then loop that end under the other end, and then pull to tighten the rubber band. Once tight and secure, break the other end of the toothpick. Next, get a ping pong ball. You see the line here where the seams of the ball meet? Do not punch the hole there as it will break the ball. Instead, drill a tiny hole using the push pin next to the logo. Be careful and gentle in doing this so you won't get hurt. Ping pong balls are thin, making it easier to punch a small hole into it so you don't need to apply too much pressure. To make the hole larger, you need a pen. Be careful inserting the pen and don't apply too much pressure. Slowly insert the pen to make the hole big enough to insert the toothpick. Then slowly tuck in the toothpick inside the ping pong ball. Do this until the part of the rubber band where you made the loop is completely inside the ball. Now, get your string. I want the length to be about 1 foot from the tip of the rubber band, so I'm going to cut it just about here. The length would really be up to you. And then tie the string to the rubber band. Congratulations! You are done creating your pendulum ping pong. To use, hold it up above your baby's reach and watch them grab it. Here's my Babby playing with it. As you see, my Babby starts grabbing the ball as soon as I swing it in front of her, but her aim was still not accurate and took her a little while to finally caught it. And to make it more fun, I gave her a tiny ping pong racket to hit the ball. Another way to use the ball is to hook the toy to a floor lamp, for example, or ceiling lamp, or wherever you want. I created another pendulum ping pong and this time hook it to a non-working floor lamp. How would you use the toy? Where would you hang it? I am pretty sure you can think of more creative ways on how to incorporate this toy to your baby's play. Thanks so much for watching, and please leave a comment below to let me know how your pendulum ping pong turned out. Did your baby like it or hate it? Also, let me know what other DIY toys you'd like me to create next time. Happy crafting, and I will see you in my next video. So be sure to click the subscribe button below for more DIY toys to make a happy Babby.